Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we got ourselves a nice pretty quick little video here. We're going to be dealing with my control module for my rock lights. Yes, I've got a jacket on. It is starting to get cold here in Wisconsin. A little chilly, in the 40s I think all day today. It's kind of nice change up, but anyways, whatever. We're going to go ahead and discuss what's going on with my rock lights. Let's see if we can get this turned on for you. Just go down to my little LED lamp thing up here, hit my on button. It should turn on. There they go. Just that simple. All sorts of different functions in here, by the way. If you missed this video, I did an install video on this. All crazy sorts of functions. Do a little jump for you guys here. I actually like the gradient the best. It's my favorite one. I also do have a Christmas one. I had a Halloween one, as well as the gradient. Here's the gradient. This is my favorite one. It just goes back and forth through different colors nice and slowly. But anyways, unfortunately with all this wind, hopefully you guys can hear me just fine. I do believe it's this side, this one underneath here, as well as my rear. One of my rears does not work. I do have 12 total, which I do want to add more actually. I have another white set from a different company that I want to try out, just because it's a pure white set, and I figure why not try a new company. I didn't get this for free. I am not sponsored, nothing like that. This is just purely my purchase, and the reason why I went with these guys is exactly for this reason. So see, again, if you can hear them back there, you got the damn train again. So this is from Code 4 LED. I will leave their link in the description below. This is the Bluetooth module. This is the power, all sorts of all those goodies. This is it right here. Now this module is bad underneath, and that's why only a few of these work, because we tried. I plugged into these ones, the other LEDs, this LED under here, took that off of one of these and put them in onto here, and it worked just fine. Now what's nice about these is it's got that nice rubber gasket. You just go put these on here and you spin them on and it clips them in just fine. Mounts with 2 screws. You guys saw the app. If you want a tutorial of the app, I can do that, but it's very simple. Comes with really basic instructions. I've had this work in the coldest months. I've had this work in the warmest months here in Wisconsin, and it has never failed. It's been in water. The rock lights have been in water. The module has probably, I don't think the module's been in water, besides, you know, rain, underground, all that kind of stuff. We went through some crazy rains down in Dallas and Oklahoma, and I have not skipped a beat on them. They're very high quality LEDs. Very impressed with them. But anyways, we got to replace this out. The reason why I go with these guys is because they have a lifetime warranty. I did not have to pay for this new module. They paid for it. They sent it to me for free because they have that lifetime warranty. He wanted to make sure that it was the control module before I did anything, you know, before he sent maybe 2 new lights. I'm gonna leave their link in the description below. I am gonna try Code 4 LED for these rear bumper lights. That is what I want to change out. These are some cheap Amazon basics. I'm going to get this whole bumper repowder coated, but I want to change those out to something better. They work just fine, but they kind of flicker a little bit. So up underneath here on this pan, I don't know what this is called, so if anybody knows what this little thing is called underneath your truck bed, it's a plate for something. There's nothing mounted to it. I don't know what it's for, but anyways, obviously you can see it right here. I've got that module mounted right here. Works perfectly, just besides 2 of these leads, and so we're gonna replace this out. I've got it all nice and zip tied up here. I wanted to keep all my slack. Simply, this is your connector. You basically unscrew this, take them all off, take the module off, bring it down, put it back up, and it's that simple. I'm not gonna show the process of it because we really don't need that whole process of taking this off and putting the new one on. There's nothing special about it. I'll leave the link in the description below for the module. I'll leave the link in the description below for my install video. I'm gonna go ahead and get that removed, get the new one in, and make sure that it all works. All right, so I got that all taken care of, got that all fixed out. It works perfectly fine. Bear with me on the wind noise. I'm sorry, I apologize. I can't have some kind of like wind microphone on my GoPro. But that being said, make sure you guys go get a hold of my Instagram and follow me on Instagram, because I'm finally giving away, that launches tonight, the giveaway for this plate. This is the pod mount plate For your fog light location of the GM Silverados, I don't know exactly what year it is. I'll leave this link in the description below. I apologize for my Monday's video. I worked like a 16-hour day and I was not able to get my description in, but the description should be filled out now. I should have all the links properly in there, but I will leave this link in the description below as well. I'm going to be giving away this pod light mounting bracket for your Silverados, your GMCs, your Sahara's, to be able to mount pod lights in your fog light location. This will go from Wednesday to Friday night. I'll announce the winner on Saturday. I am also going to be giving away a set of Code 4 LED pod lights with this. Only one set. So if you want to run 2 pod lights, you got to buy a second set. But anyways, I'm going to run that giveaway tonight. Simply just follow me on Instagram, tag 3 friends, and that's all you got to do. So like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you check this out so you get a chance to win it. If you don't want a chance to win it, you don't have to follow me. If you don't have a Silverado or a compatible with this bumper, I apologize, but this is, you know, it's a giveaway because I'm really happy with this product. I'm really happy with my lights. This is what it looks like right now, and I'm very happy with how it looks and how it came out. Those are not the lights I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to be giving away a set of Code 4 LED lights. You'll see that in the giveaway post. But like I said, simply follow me on Instagram, tag 3 friends in that post, and that's it. Make sure you guys go ahead and give Code 4 LED a follow. I'm very impressed with them. They back all their products. They're really nice guys. The response time is unbelievable. I'm really happy with them. I have not found somebody that has been so responsive and so they cared so much about their product, because there's so many LED companies out there that offer off-road stuff. I know I want to say they specialize a lot in the Jeep community, but seriously, make sure you guys follow them. I'm very impressed with them. I'm happy with them. I seriously, I couldn't be more happy with the rock lights that I got from them and their customer service. So like I said, follow me on Instagram, follow them on Instagram. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. I appreciate all your guys' support. This week has been real short videos, obviously little lighting upgrades. There's not much to show during lighting upgrades because quite frankly, they're pretty simple. Have yourselves a great night, have yourselves a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.